Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Speech on Defense Day of Pakistan. Worthy principal, respected teachers, and my dear fellows. Assalamu alaikum. With due respect and great reverence, we are celebrating the Day of Defense. A cunning enemy we had to face, but we accomplished our work with grace. Yes, my dear fellows, on 6 September 1965 is the day when India attacked our dear homeland in the darkness of night like a cunning thief. The Indians were so sure of their success that they settled among themselves to celebrate the victory a few hours later in Lahore. They were armed with all kinds of weapons. Honorable principal, India attacked our country while their black Russian and American tanks were ahead of them, and their vulture like fighter planes hovering above in the air. But what a courage, boldness, and bravery was demonstrated by the Pakistani nation. As soon as the news of the attack was heard, a wave of oneness, boldness, sacrifice, and patriotism ran through the whole nation. The entire world knows that in 1965, how the fearless, courageous, and daring tigers of Pakistan Army crushed the planned, organized, and secret aggression of the enemy. They tied the bombs with their bodies and were ready to sacrifice their precious lives for the motherland. By laying under the enemy's tank, they wrecked the gigantic tanks in a shake, which reduced all the pride and boldness of the large Indian army to ashes. Admirable principle, in this war which continued for 17 days, the enemy who had come to occupy whole of the West Pakistan cut a sorry figure and was unable to get anything except a horrible defeat and humiliation. Indians had not only to retreat but lost a mentionable area including a big city of Kamekaran. A large number of Indian soldiers lost their lives and were captured by our army. Under such circumstances, India had to beg for the ceasefire through friendly country Russia, and thus the war came to an end. Dear principal and respected audience, now I shall narrate briefly what we got in this war. We got a dazzling victory over a cunning enemy. We got the sympathy and appreciation of all the countries. We got an emotion of unity, oneness, love, and pride in our being Muslims and Pakistanis. My dear fellows, being the young falcons, let's aim together. We shall work hard to excel in all fields of learning and welfare. Defend our country till death. May Allah helps us in this essential task. Pakistan Zindabad. Army Pindabad.